Hey guys, Happy New Year. And if you are here with me, we made it, y'all. We made it through December, through another year. We are officially in 2024. So I'm just going to go through really slowly and let you see some of my December planner stuff. I didn't fill it in as much as I wanted to because there was a lot going on in December. I am going to try to give y'all a little bit of music at the end so it's not just quiet and you're not bored. But if it is quiet, that means that YouTube has struck again and will not allow me to use music that they claim is absolutely free. So if anybody knows how we get free music, I use, what do I want to say? I use apps that are free to Android to edit my videos. And on those apps, they do allow you some music or whatever that's supposed to be free. However, I don't know. I don't use the actual camera. So when you make suggestions, just remember that I am using apps. If there is a music app from YouTube, let me know. But it's getting kind of aggravating when they just strike all your videos and say, hey, you need to pay this person, you need to pay that person. Ridiculous. I do want to tell y'all, somebody tried to ruin my 2024, y'all, before it even came into play, baby. So I tried to join a group, honey. A Facebook group, and the lady had the nerve to message me and tell me that because of the posts I make on Facebook, I wasn't a fit for their group. I had to read her rights, first of all, because I know a lot of y'all are not on my Facebook because it is just for family, but I barely post on Facebook. And a lot of the stuff I post is like funny stuff or memes. Honey, obviously she was offended. But you know what? Excuse me. I'm starting to take stuff for what it is. I wasn't meant to be a part of her group. Okay? If she feels, and I don't even know how she can see stuff because my Facebook is private, but I know some stuff is public. But I'm like, sweetheart, if you feel like I'm not a fit for your group because of my Facebook posts, then you're absolutely right. I am not a fit for your group. I'm learning to take stuff for what it is. You either meant to be in my life or you're not. There's probably so much negative and fake energy in that group that I didn't need to be in it anyways. Okay? Period. I'm in a bunch of other groups. Don't need yours. All right, so let's get into this video. Y'all have a wonderful and happy new year. I'm going to get ready to set up my January planner, and I will see y'all at the end of January. Oh, and I do want to tell y'all, when y'all see this Luke 1, Luke 2, I was writing it in here and I forgot. I actually did the entire book of Luke for December. Because that is like everything that happened to Jesus up until, the 25th. It was suggested to me and I actually enjoyed it. So if you have not read every chapter in Luke, December is a good month to do that. They're short chapters, so you can actually take time out of your day and read them. What I did was I read every chapter and then I went and did research on each chapter, find out the meaning, what it means, different explanations, different ways to look at it, different ways to apply it to my life and what it meant during that time frame. And then by December 25th, that was the end of Luke and that was the end of, Jesus. But yeah, if you're interested, I thought that was really neat. And I did it with a group and it was really, really neat. And I have a different book that I do my Bible journaling in. So it was really neat to do each book of Luke and see what happened chapter by chapter, review it, and then come to Christmas. It was really neat. So that's just the idea if someone wants to do that next year. I mean, this year.